Hey, I'm Sam and today I'm going to be customizing these Old Skool Vans. I plan on dyeing the entire shoe blue and hand embroidering on some daisies, so keep watching to see how they turn out. Here are the finished shoes. I've had this idea for a while and at first the dye was too dark, but I really like how uneven it turned out, and the hand embroidered daisies just add to the aesthetic. But thanks for watching, go subscribe and check out my Instagram, and I'll see you next time.